Hi, this is Miss Reilly-Harden, and I'm going to show you the game SolveMe Mobiles. First of all, I would open this game in Chrome rather than Safari. Second, before you hit the play button, hit the settings button and turn your sound effects off. And the reason for that is for some reason it does not save your progress unless your sound effects are off. And you definitely want to save your progress. Okay, I'm going to return to the main menu, hit play. Okay, so you can see there's lots of different levels. We have a puzzler level, a master level. These get actually pretty complicated. I'm going to show you puzzle number 8. Okay, so notice a tutorial just popped up. It says you can create an equation by dragging a beam or a number showing above a string off of the mobile. Then you can subtract or divide to find new information. So we'll try that here in a minute. This equation balance, it shows 2 hearts in a square is equal to 5 squares. I can look at the equation if I want to by dragging the balance, and it writes that out in equation form for us. Okay, you have a couple tools at the bottom. I'm going to use my pen tool to make some notes on my puzzle. So I notice I have I have squares on both sides. So I'm going to say, let's cross out one of those squares because those squares are each worth the same value. So I could remove those and our hanger should stay balanced. Now I have 4 squares on the right side. Each one's worth 3. So that means right here, all together, I've got 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So that tells me these 2 hearts on the left side also have to be equal to 12 total. And since there are 2 of them, 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Before I submit, I'm going to actually check that equation. So right under the equation, I'm going to write I have a square is 3, so I have 3 plus 2 times a heart is 6 equals 5 times 3. Square is 3. Okay, I'm going to work out each side. So on the left side, I have 3 plus 12, which is 15. On the right side, I have 5 times 3, which is 15. Those are the same value. Pretty confident my answer is correct. I'm going to hit submit. There's the stars. Remember, if your stars are not showing up, you need to go back to the settings. There's another gear at the bottom right here, and make sure your sound effects are turned off. Okay. At this point, you can go back to the puzzles menu. Let's resubmit that. You can go back to the puzzles menu, or you can just click next puzzle. See how many of these you can figure out. Find a level that's challenging for you, but doable at the same time.